Hello and welcome back to another NHIG video. In this episode we're going to be looking at upsetting. Upsetting is the act of pushing material back on itself in order to trade length for thickness. All of these upsets are going to start from the same volume. In order to create an upset, cool the material in the areas which you do not want to thicken up. This prevents the bar from bending and also saves wasting energy thickening up areas you do not wish to thicken. During the act of upsetting, you will have to dress the bar for squareness and geometry. And here is the bar which has been upset back by 1 inch. The bar is now 5 inches long instead of 6. Upsets are useful in various instances. Here we are going to create a heel bar as seen on gates. In order to do that, the upset is shaped accordingly. And it is simply a case of transferring the volume to where it is needed. Here I am dressing the internal radius over the bick. And creating the section I want. So here is the heel bar with the original upset. These are upsetting tools in order to upset a bar into the shape that you wish. This one here has a notch to prevent the bolt that it makes from rotating. This one is radiused on the top in order to create a bolt to fit around a tube, and this one is square also to prevent rotation. Here, our 1 inch upset is going to be used to create a square-headed bolt. Square-headed bolts were the norm up until around the 1920s. The upset is further upset into the bolt header in order to create the shape that we want. Because the material is spreading through 360 degrees, the upset frequently has to be dressed. The purpose of this upsetting tool, or header, is to create a nice transition between the shank and the head. This is to remove any stress risers which may cause the head to fall off or shear. In this instance, a flatter can be used in order to create a clean professional finish. and the threaded portion can then be drawn out. And here we have that nice clean transition with an upset head. Both the heel bar and the bolt started with the same size upset. And it is simply the case of pushing the volume of material where you need it to be. Thank you for watching.